Greetings, everyone! Coronavirus has had a massive impact across the globe, especially in the United States, where over 700,000 cases have been confirmed at the time of this recording. Not going out isn't good enough. We also have to make sure things we're bringing in are clean, like our groceries. From cleaning and wiping them to storing them in the proper places, there are many ways to sanitize groceries during this pandemic. In this video, we're talking all that and more. Number 1. Proper packaging. By now, this should be mandatory. Whatever you wish to buy as a grocery item should first be placed in a proper package. We suggest the use of airtight containers. This way, the virus won't come in contact with your food. You will have to make sure that you get rid of the original packaging also. The grocery item that you have inside may be protected, but you don't want to take chances with the outside. The package may have come in contact with the virus, which may stay attached for hours or even days. Keeping that indoors isn't a good idea at all. So throw it away after getting home and wash your hands immediately. Smart packaging systems are known to be very effective against viruses and other microorganisms. Keep in mind, we've got a whole lot of other options coming. Wait, before we continue, click subscribe and ring that notification bell. This will help you stay updated with our latest content. Number 2. Wash before storing. This is another obvious one. Before you put your food or container in the refrigerator or storage, make sure to wipe them with a cloth. If your items are fruits and vegetables, you have a better option to keep them clean. You can wash them and keep them in your fridge. You should also wash your hands after the process is finished. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Washing cleanses the virus from the surface of the food. Since you can't do the same with things like sugar, salt, and grains, you can at least wipe their packets. Number 3. Wear gloves. When you're living in a world where over 2 million cases have been confirmed so far, it's better to play it safe. Washing food is good, but not good enough. What if when you went out, the virus came in contact with your hand and infected you? Then you'd be carrying the virus home with you. Just wear gloves when you're buying grocery items. This way your skin will not come in contact with the air and you won't have to worry about being exposed to the virus. Just make sure you're wearing washable gloves. Let's discuss another important method. Number 4. Use hand sanitizer. We have mentioned that it's important to wash your hands. Let's elaborate on that. While soaps are very useful, they're often handled by different people. While cleaning your hands, some germs stick to it. Those who are quarantined with others take note, it doesn't matter that these people are family. Imagine this scenario. You come home from grocery shopping and begin washing your hands. Some of the germs that you washed off are still on the soap. When your family members go to wash their hands, they'll be exposed to the germs you left on the soap. Either that or you'll be exposed to them again. Soap is supposed to protect your hands, not corrupt them further. This is why sanitizers are better options than soap. They have generally been observed to be more effective, so make sure to use them before and after you purchase groceries. Speaking of which, here at Bestie, we have many different types of videos. Check out our recent video on the link between lifestyle and profession. Number 5. Opt for home deliveries. Look, we understand you want to save money. That doesn't mean that you should look for opportunities to go out. Even if you're not infected yet, you may come in contact with the virus by touching something outside. More importantly, the food you're carrying might be infected by the germs you were unknowingly holding in your hands. The more time you spend indoors, the less chances you have of coming in contact with the coronavirus. The same way it passes from one person to the other, it can also pass from you to the grocery items. This is why it would be better if you ask for home deliveries instead of leaving the house. Keep in mind, you'll have to do all the necessary cleaning and washing before placing your items in storage. These tips seem pretty simple so far, right? Well, for many, staying indoors for days on end isn't an option. Try the next method. Number 6. Go cashless and cardless. When giving change to someone, your hands are infested with germs. Germs you're undoubtedly passing on to others. This goes for coronavirus. Sounds scary? Try going cashless. We're living in a world of Google Pay. Use it. You may think it's safe to swipe a card. Sadly, that's not the case. If it was safe to swipe a card, it would be safe to do a cash transaction as well. Use digital transactions and save yourself the trouble. You'll also save a lot of time. There is one thing that we absolutely have to talk about. You're putting in so much effort to make sure your groceries are clean. What if the problem isn't outside, but inside? What if your refrigerator or kitchen aren't clean themselves? Number 7. Clean your kitchen and food storage. You've done all the hard work. You got the food delivered to your house, it was fully packaged on all corners. Then you got rid of the package, washed the food, and kept it in a clean container stored in your fridge. You feel like nothing can go wrong from here, right? Wrong. Your kitchen and your refrigerator may not be as clean as you think. The virus can find itself in a lot of places. Your kitchen is one of them. This is why you must make sure that your kitchen and fridge are wiped. If you plan to store your food elsewhere, you need to clean it beforehand. The idea is to keep yourself safe during this pandemic. There is a reason why most people are in quarantine, and a lot of countries have called for a lockdown. If you want to keep yourself and your groceries clean, it is important to keep your kitchen clean as well. Otherwise, all the effort you've put into this point will be for nothing. Are you taking the proper steps to keep your food clean? Are you taking any of these tips into consideration? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video, and enjoy.